Neeraj, full stack dev. Let's start with our prototype or a first MVP that we have built during this entire Aptos Winter School. Let's start without wasting any time. You have to register first, enter first name, last name, then email address. Then you have to give password, that is secure password. Register yourself. Yes, the password is not matching. So it's sign up. Then we have to log in our credentials. Remember me, login. You can log in with Connect Wallet also. That is Aptos wallet wrapper. You can, if you are Web 2 or Web 3 person, you can just log via both the ways. So after coming to this platform, you can see the first three cards that will tell you about the some top TVL growth, top fees growth, and top supply inflation in the tokens right now. If you scroll down, you can see the some of the tokens that are listed on the Aptos. You can see VET, Thala token, Bong, Aptos launch with the basic details like price, FDV, then TVL, total trading volumes in the tokens, fees right now going on, daily active users on these tokens or token holders, what are the volume of the token holders, circulating supply in all over the world, and total supply. Above that, you can see that total filters are there based on the category. If you click on the price, you will get the price filters based on that. Like Jackbot has the 2.21k dollar price right now, and so the filters are in for the TVL, FDV, and token trading volume. So these are the filters right now on the tokens that have listed on this platform. So if you go down, you can see the Aptos. If you click on the Aptos, you can go to the another dashboard of that Aptos. Uh, Inside this page, you can see the more detail about the Aptos token. So this is a TVL fee, circulating supply, and the price matrices right now. So all the categories are mapping to the matrices. So you can see the latest and 30 days beyond trend, 60 days, 90 days, 365 days. So all the trends are there, and these are the eight matrices right now. So we are taking the data from different platforms, making to them a single entity on the MongoDB, then fetching on this platform. So after that, you can see the like more over the views analysis of the token on the base of time interval of TVL growth, then token holders growth, and then the token trading volume growth. So these are some analysis views based on the tokens. This So these are the some graphical analysis of the tokens based on the volume growth, TVL growth, and mapping with the time intervals of the frame. So right now you can see this is the data of 22 December 2023. So this is the latest data. You can see that. So yeah, this was the like platform that I built throughout this winter school. Hope you like it. Thank you.